Here's the 2013 Dodge Challenger. It was brought in today to do a backup camera to the factory navigation screen. We added an adapter that gives us a few different options. It allows us to connect the backup camera, and it also gives us the navigation unlock feature and the video unlock feature. The adapter is on. That green light tells us that it's on. So if I put the vehicle in gear, all we have to do is push video. We are in drive and the video is still on. Now to deactivate the adapter, you turn the radio on and off. And as you can see, the video button is no longer available to us. It goes right here. I'm in drive and I can't see the video. To turn it back on, it's on and off, on and off. Now the video button is available to me again. I'm still in drive. Push the video button and now we are active again. I'll go into reverse. There's the backup camera. Park it, and I still have access to the video. We can add a backup camera and do the video and navigation unlock for the factory radio in these Dodge Challengers. Give us a call or come by the shop here at Innovative Car Sound. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This one here is a 2013 Dodge Challenger. Backup camera integration to the factory radio with the unlock feature. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.